Okay, this is the WEN 3720 15 amp 10-inch job site table saw unboxing. Okay, typical styrofoam packing. Got your push stick, instruction manual, and some Allen wrench. Handles, padded handles. 2 padded handles. And your guard. Let's see here. Saw part. I forget what those called. Various bolts and junk. Nuts, odds and ends. Washer. Okay, here we go. Oop. Come on, baby. There she is. Had a nice hole on the side there. That was awesome. Looks like we got a bundle of... Oh, this is the miter. The miter. There's the miter, nice and bubble wrapped. And got our wheels. Just kind of banging around. Whoops. What do we got over here? Bracket for part of it, and a couple rods. And we got more odds and ends over here. We got the fence over here. One fence. Nice bracket unit. Okie dokie. Heavy zip tie. Stand. And I'll leave the rest for later. I'm not going to try and pull it all out one hand. I just wanted to give you an idea. Looks like it was fairly packaged. Survived the abuse. The box was pretty roughed up. Got it from my local giant hardware store. And that nice surprise right there. And I was like, well, we'll see. I'll be taking it back. Okay, here we go. Nice cast aluminum top. Legs. And looked like that was for the dado blade or whatever, the other one. This is a nice regular one. Saw blades in there. I don't know if you can see that. I didn't really look at it, just went ahead and anti-kick back grooves on it. And then I saw this. Ooh. Yeah, so she's going back. Never used.